Hello there! Today is Saturday. Thank God it's Sabado, and I would like to introduce you to my newest baby, si Musika. I named her after this baybayin, which according to my friend means like Musika Filipino. Binili ko ito dahil gawang Pilipino. And dahil gawang Pilipino, ang una ko kakantahin OPM, pero hindi siya hindi Tagalog, English kasi request ito, shoutout ko lang ni Freda, and shoutout ko na rin si Jemar, si Nerlin, tapos kumparing Ses, shoutout din kita, belated happy birthday. Hindi ko pa makanta yung yung sana ay mahalin mo rin ako. Hinahanap ko pa yung chords, tsaka wala pang tutorial. Pero ito, yung Your Love kasi ng Alamid is an iconic song, isa sa mga napakagandang kanta ng kabataan namin, and I would like to dedicate this song para sa inyong lahat and para dito sa bago kong musika. So I hope you like it. You're the one who never lets me sleep. To my mind, down to my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. With you here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. I am all alone without you. The days are dark without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. Flowers bloom, the morning shines, then I can sing. Time I hear our music plays, reminds me of the days we've been through. In my mind I can't believe it's true, but in my heart the reality is you. I am all alone without you. Dark without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. Flowers bloom, a morning shines, then I can sing. Your love is like the sun that lights up my Shoutout din kay Pepot. Tapos kay Jay. Happy birthday, Jay. And good luck sa bago mo ring ukulele. Di ko pa alam kung anong pangalan ng ukulele mo. Pero TGIS! Peace tayo.